Hello, good morning everyone, and welcome to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets, for Tuesday the 1st of April. The risk appetite seems to be fairly positive moving into today's session. That started on the back of Janet Yellen's nicely supportive comments yesterday that the Fed could do more to help the US economy, and the market certainly took that as a bit of a dovish shift in sentiment there from Janet Yellen, and stocks pushed strongly higher in Wall Street, actually triple-digit gains for the Dow, and around about 0.8% up for the S&P. Nice gains there. That followed on into Asian trading. However, there was subsequently fairly mixed data for the Chinese economy yesterday. For the PMI's data, the Chinese official PMI came out slightly improved at 50.3, but the HSBC final number, that is the second reading of the PMI from HSBC, that dropped to 48 from 48.1 as the initial flash reading. So fairly mixed outlook there for China. And the stock markets around Asia were fairly mixed on the back of that. Nikkei actually ended up losing around about 0.25% there, but Chinese stocks were higher. The European trading session, as I said, has started fairly positively. FTSE's up around 20 points, DAX up 30 points, about 1/3% on each index there. So decent gains seen at the open. And the Spanish PMI has just come out and beaten expectations as well. So slight improvement in risk appetite there. But we're waiting for the rest of the PMI data throughout this morning, and they will be coming through. The UK is at 9:30, expected to come in at 56.7, which is slightly down from last month's 56.9. And then the investors will be certainly looking towards the key ISM number. This is the US PMI. That's out this afternoon at 3 o'clock British time, and that's set to come in at 54.0, which is up from 53.2 the last month. This month for March is going to be the first month that that traders are seeing data that is coming in without the threat of being impacted by the weather so much. So this is where the key data starts to really filter through as to whether the US economy is actually gaining traction on the upside. So a key bit of data out this afternoon for the US. Now my chart of the day is the FTSE 100. I've been interested in this base pattern potential for the FTSE over the past couple of weeks, and it continues to build, leaving a series of higher lows. The low that came in at 6,492 has been building ever since, and it's been in place. You could argue a double bottom pattern that is trying to form there. It's still not really completed. It's not really had a close above that resistance zone. That's basically what I'm waiting for there, above 66.28 on the FTSE, and ideally a move above 66.44 as well on there. And that would sort of begin to suggest that this recovery is gaining traction on the FTSE. You've got the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement that comes in at 66.35, and that's the retracement of this big correction here that we saw throughout March. So with the DAX certainly pushing on and making considerable gains, having already completed its base pattern, we're looking for the FTSE to finally complete its own base pattern. We've had a decent open today, as I said, 20 odd points higher, currently trading, and it's forming a series of higher lows there in place. You've also got an MACD crossover buy signal, which is a positive move, and the stochastics are increasingly positive as well. So we're looking improving outlook for the FTSE there. This is on the hourly chart intraday, and you'll see there this base pattern that's in process. You've also got these higher lows in place there, and it looks fairly positive. So we need to probably, as I said, push above this key reaction high, also at 66.58. But we are as you can gather, we are gaining momentum and posting higher highs now on FTSE and higher lows. So that is the general outlook for an improving trend. So FTSE continues to be bought into corrections, and it continues to make recovery gains. So we're looking for further upside in that chart in due course. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on FTSE today, and watch out for all the PMI data that could cause a fair bit of volatility in these currencies. No major moves yet. The euro is slightly higher on the back of that Spanish PMI, but no major breakouts quite yet. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.